Good day, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today, we have an update on the pig farm. We have the polytank for the water storage, and also we did purchase some electric poles for electricity on the farm. Yeah, so as you can see over there at the back, in the first video I shared with you guys, we had some guys on site digging the foundation. So we went through with the foundation and then the footings, and we raised it to the chest level, about 5-6 feet. We got some galvanized pipes for every corner. That is where we are going to mount the roofing. We've casted concrete on the floor already, and we are working on the residence on the farm too. I mean, at the back there is a foundation which we are putting up 3 rooms, 2 for residence and then the other for storage. I mean, where we are going to store the feed for the farm, like the pigs, where we are going to store their feed. Yeah, so you see there is a corridor, a walkway in between the cubicles. This is just 10 cubicles, 5 sides. Yeah, so that was the initial plan, and so far I've visited so many farms, and most of them, this is how they do it. And I think this way, when you do it this way, it's very cost effective and easily accessible. Yeah, it's not easy doing it though, but by the grace of God, we are getting there, one step at a time. So back there is another plot of land over there for an extension. If in the near future we want to put up more cubicles, then we are going to go through over there. Yeah, so as you can see in your shot now, that's the foundation for the residence. 3 rooms, 2 for residence, and then 1 for storage. That is where we are going to store the feed, as I said earlier on. Yeah, that's where we are going to store the feed. And also the stand for the polytank is ready. It's ready. The borehole, yeah, as you can see now, that's the stand. We are going to put the polytank on top of that, and we are going to draw water from the borehole and store it in the tank, and that's what we are going to use to run the piggery. It is not easy, but by the grace of God, we are doing it. There is no hurry in life. It's a step at a time, and as time goes on, everything will be fine. So yeah, you have to help me with some prayers. Also, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, so that other people can discover my channel, so that we can all grow together. Yeah, thank you very much once again for clicking on this video, and it's a learning process. As time goes on, I'll share with you the procedure of doing certain things for the farm to grow. Whatever that I discover, whatever that I learn new, I'll share with you, so that if in the near future you also have interest in running a pig farm, you will know exactly what to do. So thank you again, and God bless you all, and keep on going forward. Whatever that you are doing, keep pushing, little by little you'll get to your destination. Stay safe out there and keep the peace, keep the fire burning. Bye bye.